With these YouTube end screen packs that leave a lasting impression on your viewers, you can steer your audience to like, subscribe, and keep watching like a professional video editor. Choose from sleek, modern YouTube end card templates, 4K resolution packs for eye-popping quality, and even YouTube end screens themed to your niche to launch your video to stardom. These are just some end screen template examples on our list of the 10 best YouTube outro templates that will have your YouTube end card mark the beginning of more views and more engagement. Number 10. YouTube End Screens Pack by Alamy. Use these 7 YouTube end screens in your end card design to match the appearance of YouTube's interface. Each template includes a distinct color palette and memorable motion graphics and layout approaches, perfect for finishing off your video professionally. Number 9. YouTube End Screen Package by Flatmotion. This After Effects end screen package is anything but flat. Each design scheme comes with 4 different end screen template layouts, so creators can stick to their brand without becoming too repetitive. Number 8. YouTube End Screens 4K version 1 by Kalinichev. 4K videos deserve 4K outros, and that's what Kalinichev has provided in this kit that includes a variety of designs, each with its own unique style and eye-catching 4K animations. Number 7. YouTube End Screens 9+5 by Z Motions. Make the most of this dynamic YouTube end screen set, in addition to 9 different outro templates and 5 useful YouTube CTAs. If you're a video editor looking for a consistent look from start to finish, this is an excellent option. Number 6. YouTube End Screens by Alamy. Coming in at number 6 on our list is a pack of end screen templates with a more fun approach. It features choppy animated shape layers, textured backgrounds, and goofy placeholders that finish your video in a friendly and happy note. All of these professional quality YouTube end screen packs are available on Envato Elements, a subscription-based service that gives you access to millions of assets like thumbnail templates, royalty-free music, lower thirds, and everything you need to take your YouTube videos to the next level. You could learn how to make a YouTube end screen from scratch, or you could save hours making use of professional templates from expert video editors on Envato Elements. The choice is yours. I know which option I'd pick. Number 5. Sci-Fi YouTube End Screens by Z Motions. This Premiere Pro YouTube outro template pack is ideal for gaming channels because it looks great without distracting from the content. It includes 11 social media icons to ensure that all of your platforms are covered, as well as 5 bonus elements that you can use throughout your videos. Number 4. Modern YouTube End Screens Pack for Premiere Pro by Easy Graphics. This minimalist pack has a high-end modern aesthetic while remaining extremely easy to edit and customize in Adobe Premiere. If you are looking for a timeless design that you won't need to update year after year, this template is perfect for you. Number 3. YouTube End Screen Pack by Easy Graphics. For channels covering topics like fashion, beauty, design, pop culture, or trends, this YouTube outro pack has the bubbly personality you're looking for. It includes 8 distinct end screen designs for creating an end screen that reflects the style and tone of your branding. Number 2. Modern YouTube End Screens by Flatmotion. The templates included in this set are perfect for creating an end screen that is both smooth and cool. Using eye-catching color gradients and sleek animated visuals, your video's final seconds will be unforgettable. Number 1. YouTube Channel End Screen by RadFX. The gold medalist on this list is a versatile pack that includes 10 channel openers and 18 end screen templates. Every template is made up of a variety of dynamic elements, ranging from video placeholders for use as background and floating particles, to animated logos and HUD overlays that will give the final seconds of your video a professional and energetic finish. Which of the YouTube end screen packages do you like the most on this list? Would you use any of them in your videos? If you're here, you're obviously interested in video creation and editing, which, at Envato, we live and breathe. Subscribe to our channel for the latest tips, tricks, and trends to help you excel in your creative craft, and be sure to enable those notifications too. Keep the momentum going and become the video creator you want to be with this next video selected just for you. Just click the thumbnail to the right of your screen now. You've got this.